Hey there, I'm Cameron. I'm the digital media specialist at AscendTMS. You may recognize my voice from our other tutorial videos and some of our webinars. Well, today I want to go over a few tips and tricks that my AscendTMS customers are using currently to make their Ascend experience even easier than it already is today. So here are 5 tips and tricks with Cam, your AscendTMS guru. Number 1. Did you even know that you could record different types of advances in AscendTMS? You just need to get to the Financial tab inside of a load. At the bottom right of the page, you will see Record an Advance. Select the carrier or the driver and enter in the payment amount. Once you save the record and send the load to accounting, you won't need to record a bill for this load. What the recording the advance has done is apply a payment against the bill for this load, and you will only see the remaining balance. Then apply the remainder of the payment when the carrier is paid by you. Number 2. On your load management screen, you'll notice little indicators on your last contact column. If you didn't know, each one of these have their own meaning. Blue is a new unread load update. Red are load updates someone has marked actionable. In your load log, you can see what load updates have been marked resolved and which ones still need to be handled. Once all updates are resolved, the red indicator will disappear. Number 3. You never have to call us to update your users, and this even applies to changing your emails and passwords. From the settings menu, you simply go to Add or Edit Users, select which user you wish to change, and then click Edit. Here you can change email, password, as well as change which permission groups they belong to and branches. Number 4. You can upload your own carrier and customer onboarding packets and email them directly from your AscendTMS. Just click Upload Doc under Doc Management. Choose the file you want to upload. In this case, I'm uploading a carrier onboarding packet. Then pick what document type it is. For this document, I want it to be a company doc because this is my blank copy, not the ones attached to specific carriers. Also, when searching for this document to email out, I can use company docs as a search parameter to find it even faster. And number 5. In Viewer Send Load Docs, you can attach documents to customers and document types. The reason you do this is they will be considered supporting documents when invoicing a load through the accounting module. Here, I'm selecting an OSD image and going to attach it to the customer and as a claim/OSD document. I do the same process for my BOL, but obviously I use a different document type. These are just 2 examples of the different document types that you can attach, and you can use anything on the document list. Now, cut to accounting, and when I go through my invoicing process, you'll see both listed as supporting documents that will be attached when sent out. So those were 5 super useful tips and tricks for your AscendTMS software that will make you even more proficient in your day-to-day operation. We covered recording advances, the indicator on your last contact column, how to update your users' emails and passwords, the ability to upload your own onboarding packet through document management, and how to create a supporting document for invoicing. Be sure to be on the lookout for more of these videos, especially as we're adding new features to your software. This has been Tips and Tricks with Cam, your AscendTMS guru. See you next time. Whoa. Did you know you actually have the chance to talk to me or some of my other AscendTMS experts just by dialing the number on your screen right here? That's right, real humans will actually talk to you and help you out. And that you actually have access to hundreds of step-by-step articles with our tutorial videos attached to them. You can even email our support team directly to ask questions and set up training sessions. Check the link in the description below or email us at support@emotionglobal.com. Now, I'll really see you later, guys.